Okay, so my name's Beth and today I'm going to show you how to print narrow ribbon using the Deluxe Ribbon Writer. So first of all, load the ribbon onto the spindle at the back. You can see we're using 10mm ribbon today, and load your foil. Then you need to use the adapter for narrow ribbon. You can see here that there are slots for 20, 15, 10 and 7mm. So all you need to do is thread the ribbon through the correct slot. So thread through the back on the top slot and then back down the front on the bottom slot. And then you just need to place the adapter inside the base of the printer and close the brackets so that they fall into the indents. And then your ribbon is loaded, ready to print. So just close your print head down and then we can go to send the print. Okay, so first of all you need to load the multi-width adapter template, which you will have already downloaded and saved into your Diamond Design Projects folder. So just click Load Design and then type in Deluxe and you'll see listed in the files Deluxe single width adapter template for 7, 10, 15 and 20mm. So open up that file, and then once the file is open you'll see there is already some text there which you can click on and then right click with your mouse and then click Edit Text, and then you can change the font and the text to how you would like to print, and then you click on OK. Then you click Print and select your printer and number of copies that you'd like to print, and then press Print, and that's it, your ribbon will print. Thank you very much for watching. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit our website.